I say during this TikTok live, whatever I share on my computer screen, all these analyses are only for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice. I could be wrong, so please don't take any financial decisions. Don't buy or sell any crypto based on my analysis. Do your own research before investing any money, okay? Because I could be wrong too. So let's go and see what's going on in the market, guys. So here we are, right, guys. Remember yesterday I put this fractal. I told you market Bitcoin will move up and then it will come down and then it will move up one more time. So you can see, let me change the color so you can see it clearly. Maybe yellow color or blue color. Yeah, blue color is better. So you can see exactly it is following my fractal so far. And I'm expecting another move from here, guys. Okay, I think Bitcoin will move up for another day, for one more day, and then we may see some sideways or a pullback small. I will let you know tomorrow what I see after tomorrow. But right now, I was expecting this move up. It came. You can see Bitcoin went up. And then I was expecting a small pullback. Exactly, that is what's happening right now. And after this, I expect a continuation of this move. So let's see. I was right yesterday. I am right about this pullback. Now let's see if this leg up comes or not. Okay. So this is my these are my analysis on Bitcoin, and you can see last night when we started our TikTok live, Bitcoin was sitting here, and I put this fractal in front of you. Okay, this was the level I wanted Bitcoin to break, remember, and close 4-hour candle above it. It did close 4-hour candle above it, went up, came back, retesting it, and now I expect a continuation. So let me delete this. So this is what you can expect in Bitcoin, okay? And guys, the major thing, remember BTC dominance? What was I telling you? That we are in a downward trend, right? We are in a downward trend. We saw a bear flag here and then a breakdown. Now again, we have another bear flag, which is in the shape of a rising wedge. And this is what I expect. So last night when we were live, BTC dominance was sitting here. And I told you this red area is a strong resistance. And I expect BTC dominance to come down from here. Okay. Now, if you want to watch for this level, 58.60. The moment it comes below 58.60 and closes 1 4-hour candle, your altcoins are gonna go like crazy. They're gonna sharply move up. Again, it's not a financial advice. I'm just sharing what I see as per my technical analysis. So BTC dominance is touching the lower border of this rising wedge, and once it breaks this rising wedge, and especially this level 58.60, it's gonna come down sharply, guys. Okay, and since BTC dominance came down, remember guys, do you remember this chart? What did I say yesterday? This is Ethereum. I told you Bitcoin was, sorry, let me delete this one. Bitcoin was creating this head and shoulders pattern. And yesterday, Ethereum. So yesterday, Ethereum was here, and I put this neckline. I told you once you see a breakout, it's gonna shoot up, and it's gonna shoot up like really nicely. And you saw this breakout. This is the breakout candle, okay? A big green candle with a lot of volume. So now for Ethereum, I expect a continuation of this move, okay? So since I expect Bitcoin to move up at least for one day, so your Ethereum is also gonna move up, and then we may see a small pullback, maybe retest of this neckline, and then continuation of this trend. So we'll see, we'll keep watching, but the good news is Ethereum broke this head and shoulders pattern, okay, which is a very bullish pattern. and you can expect an upward move from here. This is your Solana. Solana did not break this head and shoulders pattern yet. If you remember, this was the head and shoulders pattern on Solana, and it needs to break this neckline. It did not break it yet. So Solana is still sitting there. This is your XRP. I told you this XRP needs to break this red area and close a candle above it to become bullish. Otherwise, it's gonna keep moving in this sideways move. Okay, this is your Dogecoin. The good news is Dogecoin has already broken this head and shoulder, kind of head and shoulders pattern. Not an ideal one, but it looks like an head and shoulders, and it broke the neckline. So your Dogecoin is also gonna move up from here. That is what I'm expecting, guys. Dogecoin is looking bullish, Ethereum is looking bullish. These two coins are looking super bullish. And remember, guys, this is your Shiba Inu. I told you I expect Shiba Inu to move up, and it started this move, and I believe it's going to continue moving up from here. Okay, this is your ADA Cardano. We put this resistance line on Cardano, and Cardano needs to break it. It did not break it yet. Today it tried to break it, but now we have a red candle. I think by tomorrow we may see Cardano breaking this, something like this. Okay, so Cardano is also looking good, but it is sitting at the resistance level. It needs to break it, and what you see here, guys, are W pattern. Okay, a W pattern here, and let me show you. This is the neckline. This is the W pattern on Sol. So the moment it breaks this W pattern, it will be breaking this resistance line also. And with this breakout candle, you're gonna see your ADA Cardano moving up. Okay, so let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay, this is your Polkadot, guys. As you remember, I was telling you Polkadot needs to break this 4.5 level. So it is coming near this resistance level, and hopefully tomorrow or in next week, it's gonna break this level. So everything is looking good. Another bullish coin, guys, is the Chainlink. If you remember yesterday, I was showing you this bull flag on Chainlink. Chainlink clearly creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And it was creating this bull flag, long bull flag, and a 4-hour candle broke this bull flag here. So I think Chainlink is gonna move up from here. This is a bullish pattern here. You can see a breakout of that bull flag, and we're gonna see Chainlink moving up. And by the way, we evaluated the target of Chainlink as well. Again, guys, if you need long-term analysis, these are short-term analysis. If you want long-term analysis, those are only for my Discord members. I run a Discord group. If you want to join my Discord group, go in my bio, and there's a website link in my bio. Through that website, you can join my Discord group if you're interested. So everything is looking good, guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin. As I told you, I expect Bitcoin to continue this move. I think after this candle close, next candle might be a green candle. Okay, so we'll keep watching, we'll keep analyzing these charts, guys, and see what's going on. So the major thing is it moved up, and now I'm expecting another move up in Bitcoin till tomorrow. Okay, and then after tomorrow I will let you know what I see in the market. Which cryptos for swing trading? I don't do swing trading, guys. I'm a long-term investor. I take long-term trades with zero leverage. I don't do risky trading or risky kind of investments. That's my style. That's what I do. Babi Kamal, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So right now, guys, this candle is going to close in next 37 minutes. And I think after this candle, we're going to see some green candles. Rican, thank you so much. But you can see that I put this fractal last night, and it is following my fractal on the dot. I think tomorrow we're gonna see BTC going up, okay? Going up again. So this is a situation right now, guys. Your BTC dominance is about to break this rising wedge, okay? It is about to break it. The moment it breaks this rising wedge and closes like 4-hour candle below 58.6, that is gonna put your altcoins on a rocket ship, and your altcoins are gonna shoot up. Hopefully, not a financial advice, guys. But things are looking good. Things are looking super bullish. Everything is looking good for altcoins. Everything is looking good for Bitcoin. It's time to get excited, guys. Okay, it's time to get excited. So these were my major analysis on these large cap coins, guys. The market's direction is super bullish. Bitcoin is super bullish. Your altcoins are super bullish. Kraken, thank you so much. Even altcoins are getting ready for a big move. So right now, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and your Chainlink. These three coins are looking super bullish, okay? Keep an eye on these three coins: Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Chainlink, okay? Keep an eye on these three coins because they have already broken their head and shoulders pattern, and they're technically speaking, I see an upward move in those coins. Shiba is also looking good, guys. Shiba is also looking good. Hey, Hunjan, how are you? Thanks for joining. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So I know you want to know about your individual coins, but right now, guys, let's focus on these major coins. Let's focus on Ethereum, and let's focus on the BTC dominance, okay? All your coins are gonna move up once this dominance is gonna come down. So as I showed you, you need to keep an eye on this level, 58.6. The moment dominance comes below 58.6, your altcoins are gonna start shooting up. Right now, there are three altcoins, which are two altcoins, one meme coin, which are very bullish. One is Ethereum, your altcoin. Second altcoin is Chainlink, which is super bullish. And third is this meme coin, the OG meme coin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is also super bullish, okay? I see Dogecoin moving above 30 cents soon. So good news is this, guys, that these coins are looking good and your BTC dominance is starting to come down. It needs to break this rising wedge, and this breakout can come anytime because the upward move is getting tired. You can see we don't see big upward moves. Now they are becoming shorter and shorter, and the moment we see a break towards the downside, that's the time when your altcoins are going to shoot up. And as I told you yesterday, guys, Bitcoin will always start the move, lead the upward move. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bitcoin will always lead the move, and then at some point, all those big investors are going to take some profit out of Bitcoin, and they're going to move those funds into altcoins, from Bitcoin to altcoins, and then you're going to see some nice momentum in your altcoins. So look at this Bitcoin's move, guys. It was sitting here last week at $108,000, and I predicted this move. I told you a big spike will be coming, and we experienced that spike. And right now, I'm telling you, this move is not done yet. We have one more leg towards the upside before we see a sideways move or a small pullback, and then a continuation. So let's just wait for this move till tomorrow, and then we will reanalyze this market, okay? Let's see how high this goes. So if I show you the volume, actually, I'm not happy with the volume. I want to see BTC to have more than $80 billion volume. So right now, as you can see, BTC's volume is 67 billion. I want to see above 80 billion volume on BTC. That is when your BTC is gonna go crazy, like shoot up like big time. So last night I was expecting some great volume, but total volume went up to 69 billion. It never went up towards 80 billion. So let's hope and pray and see that if we get some big volume tonight or tomorrow. But again, if you have joined just now, this was the move I predicted last night. I told everyone that I see a move up and then a sideways move, another move up. So this move will be coming tomorrow, guys, tonight or tomorrow. Okay. So now let me see how many likes we have. We have 119,000 likes. If you give me 150,000 likes, guys, I will do some analysis on your coins as well. Whatever coins you want me to review and analyze, I will do that. But the condition is you need to give me 150,000 likes up there. Okay. So give me 150,000 likes up there, then I will do AVAX and all of your coins. Thank you so much, Huck Legal. This is so nice. Thank you. Thank you, Kraken. Thank you so much. Again, guys, things are becoming interesting. Khalifa, thank you so much. Hani, thank you. Things are becoming super bullish. The market is looking super bullish. Most people were saying this is a trap. This bullish move is a trap. They are gonna bring this Bitcoin down, but no, I think this is a real move, what we saw so far. Now there is limited time left for this last leg of this bull run. So these big guys, they understand that now there's no time left to play games. Legal, thank you so much. And they are buying big time. There is a thesis, guys. I'm working on another thesis which tells me, JM, thank you, that we may see some, a major kind of move in Bitcoin and your altcoins. I think most analysts or most influencers are underestimating the next move for Bitcoin and altcoins. They think this bull run will be over soon in a couple of weeks. We might see an extended bull run. We might see this bull run to keep continuing till March of next year. So I'm working on that. I will update my Discord members once I'm done with my analysis. So guys, again, if you want, you can join my Discord group. You can click on my picture up there. It'll take you in my bio. And over there, I have a website link. Through that website, you can join my Discord group if you want to. But right now, we are just watching the market, major coins, mainly Bitcoin and BTC dominance and Ethereum. Everything is looking good, guys. Everything is looking. Okay, we hit 150K likes. So let's review some other coins. So before I go on other coins, guys, if you have just joined us, so far we have discussed that this was my projection, which I put last night. BTC was sitting at 123,000. I put this line there. I said BTC will be moving up, then a downward move, then another upward move. And BTC so far is following my projection, and I'm expecting an upward move after this candle closes. This candle is going to close in 28 minutes. So let's see if we see an upward move tonight or tomorrow. And your BTC dominance is coming down. This is a rising wedge. And this is a very strong resistance area. And BTC dominance is falling from that resistance area. Right now, I'm looking for this level, 58.6%, 58.60%. And once BTC dominance breaks this area, this level, then it's gonna fall down big time, okay? And on top of that, your Ethereum, if you are watching me for a few days, It has created this head and shoulders pattern, and it broke this head and shoulders pattern today. And I see an upward move in Ethereum. Your chain link has already broken this bull flag, and I expect chain link to move up from here. And your Dogecoin is also, it has also broken this kind of head and shoulders pattern, and I expect Dogecoin to move up from here. So these are major coins which I'm keeping an eye on, and we'll keep updating along the way. Okay, let's go over your coins. AVAX. Let's check what AVAX is doing. Thanks, ML. Thank you for your help. So this is AVAX. So by the way, this is my fractal. I was expecting a sideways move and then an upward move. So AVAX, I think it is bottoming out. As you can see, there's a long term support area, and AVAX is creating, you can clearly see it has created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So another higher high. AVAX is bullish. Okay, you can expect something like this. Okay, a small sideways move and then upward move. Okay. Okay. Next coin is SUI. SUI. Let's check what SUI is doing. Okay, this is your SUI. So as you can see, I already have a fractal here, so you can expect an upward move in SUI. And if I delete all this and show you my new analysis, okay, you can see SUI also has this kind of a head and shoulders pattern. And if you want to be 100% sure, so then wait for this breakout. Okay, once you see a breakout of 3.68, $3.68. Once it breaks this level, then it's gonna move up. So, but I think it is almost ready to break out. D, thank you so much. Appreciate that, brother. Okay, NEAR. Let's check NEAR protocol, what it is doing. Okay, NEAR is also looking bullish. As you can see, it has broken this triangle, long triangle. And now it is creating, so let me delete this. One second. Now it is moving in this range right now. Okay. It needs to break this range. Again, just keep an eye on this trend line. It needs to break $3.15. The moment it goes above $3.15, then it's gonna move up. Okay, so just wait for this level, $3.15 to be broken. But it is looking bullish. Okay, next coin is Pepe. Pepe. Yeah, Pepe also, I think it is also getting ready for an upward move. As you can see, I have some kind of fractal here. So let me move it here. Pepe is also getting ready for an upward move. But as you can see, it is moving in this triangle for quite some time. But I think now it's time for it to break this triangle. So this could be the move where it's gonna break this triangle, go up, come back, retest, and then a big leg up. Okay. So Pepe is getting ready for an upward move because there is another indication. You see this double bottom here. There's a double bottom and there's a divergence here. So bullish divergence, which is telling me an upward move is coming. So Pepe is looking bullish. Okay. Next coin is XRP, your favorite XRP. I just did XRP. One second. As you can see, XRP is moving. Let me delete this line. So it is moving in this range. It is range bound, but you can also put a trend line here like this. Okay. and wait for a breakout of this trend line. Maybe just okay. So trend line and this red area, basically you need a breakout of $3.17. Once it breaks this level, then it's gonna shoot up. So it is moving in sideways price action right now for quite some time. XRP is not going to $10 or $100, guys. I know, I'm saying this since last November. People did not like that. But I'm telling you, XRP is not going to $10. LTC. Let's check LTC. Litecoin. Wow, it's looking bullish. Litecoin is looking super bullish, guys. And you can clearly see a head and shoulders pattern here. So just place a neckline here. And wait for a breakout, okay? Wait for a breakout of 123.42, $123.42 level. Wait for a breakout, and then it's gonna move up like sharply, a big time. Litecoin is looking good, by the way. Okay, next coin is MOVR, mover. So this is your coin, MOVR. As you can see on the daily chart, it is moving in sideways price action. It needs to break this $6.29, then it's gonna move up. Right now it is moving in sideways. So let's see when it breaks this level. $6.26. Right now it's neutral. I already did ADA, so I'm not gonna do ADA again. Quant, QNT. As you can see, Quant also has this head and shoulders kind of pattern, and it was moving in this descending downward trend, but it broke this trend. Let me delete this to show you. It has created this higher high. This high is higher than this last lower high, so it has created a higher high, and I think Quant is gonna keep moving up from here. So you may see what's wrong, an upward move from here. Okay, Quant is looking bullish. Okay, next coin is Render, RENDER. Guys, I don't see many likes up there. We should be hitting 200K likes up there. So let me request you, all 547 people, 550 people sitting here, please keep tapping the screen. We should be hitting 200K likes up there. And plus, guys, I would appreciate if you can share this live with your friends and family. And if you are not following me so far, please hit the follow button as well. Thank you. So next is Render. This is your Render. Render is not looking bullish so far. It is moving in sideways price action. It needs to break $4.58. Okay. Until that time, it is still, I would say, sideways, neutral. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm neutral on Render. Okay. Next is FET, Fetch AI. See what Fetch AI is doing. Fetch is also, you see, it is moving in this sideways price action for so long. It had created this, head and shoulders pattern here, but it never broke it. And it keeps moving in sideways, sideways, sideways. So I'm neutral on Fetch AI. It needs to break this triangle. Then it will become bullish. Right now, I am neutral on this coin. Okay, next coin is Ondo. Ondo Finance. Check what Ondo is doing. Yeah, I think Ondo is gonna move up from here, guys. Okay, so this is what I expect, that it is gonna create an upward move from here. Okay. Something like this. It's going to create an upward move, and then it's going to come down, and it's going to create this head and shoulders pattern here, and then a breakout and upward move. So I would say I'm bullish on Ondo Finance. Okay, next coin is Mana, MANA. Mana, central land. Yeah, as you can see, it is moving in sideways price action for so long, but now it is also creating this head and shoulders kind of pattern, and it is coming towards the narrow end of this triangle, which is telling me that decision time is coming for this coin. You can see this head and shoulders kind of pattern, and also this is the major resistance. So once you see a breakout, and then it's gonna move up. It's looking bullish, by the way. So let's wait for a breakout of 36 cents. Once it breaks 36 cents and close 2 4-hour candles above this level, then it's gonna move up. So, but looking good. So I think all these coins are waiting for BTC dominance to break towards the downside, then they're gonna move up. Okay, next coin is FIL. This is your FIL. As you can see, it is moving in this downward descending triangle, and it's coming towards the end of this triangle. And whenever a coin comes towards the end of the triangle, it breaks either side. There are more chances for it to break towards the upside. So keep an eye on this trend line, guys. Once you see a breakout and 2 green candles here, that will be bullish, and then it may move up from like this. So FIL is looking bullish. Next coin is Chainlink. I already did Chainlink, so let me do one more time. As you see, on 4-hour, it broke this bull flag. Okay, it already broke this bull flag, but on daily candle, now the daily is also breaking. So let's see in next 15 minutes, this candle is gonna close. Let's see if it closes outside of this resistance line or it closes inside. It needs to break this bull flag. Okay, so let's wait for next 15 minutes. We'll get to know if we see a breakout or not. We may see this candle to close like this. Okay, a big like this, a big green candle. That will be the good news for Chainlink. But Chainlink is looking super bullish. I think Chainlink is getting ready to go above $30. Okay, next coin is Toshi. Again, guys, whatever I'm sharing is not a financial advice. Please do your own research as well, okay? Do not invest based on my analysis. I could be wrong as well. This is your Toshi, guys. Let me do this. Toshi is looking good, by the way. Look at this price action. It's creating big spikes, downward move, big spikes, downward move. But the trend is up, as you can clearly see. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, maybe another higher high. The trend is bullish. I would say Toshi, since the whole altcoin market is getting ready for an upward move, so Toshi can also keep moving up. Okay, Toshi is bullish. Okay, next coin is SAND, SAND, SAND coin. This is your SAND. So SAND has this price action. It is moving in sideways move, guys, but I think a decision time is coming for SAND. Let's put it here. And put it here. As you can see, it is moving in this triangle, and a breakout time is coming in next week. I would say in next week you're gonna see a breakout. So right now I'm neutral on SAND, not very bullish, not bearish. Okay, next coin is Pengu. Okay, this is your Pengu coin. By the way, these were my 3 profit targets on Pengu. It hit my first, and second target, almost hit my third target as well, and then it came back. So now I expect a breakout of, this is a bull flag. You can clearly see a bull flag. So this is the move I'm expecting from Pengu, okay? An upward move from here. So yeah, Pengu is bullish. Okay, next coin is TIA. Let's check what TIA is doing. Oh God, TIA is not looking good. But let's check the 4-hour chart. It's showing some strength here. You know why? It is showing some strength here. So basically it was moving, this was the last lower high, lower low. It has created a higher high, higher low, and plus you see a W kind of pattern here. Okay. And I think it's gonna move up from here. So for short term, TIA is looking good. I think it's gonna try to move up. So if I tell you what it's gonna do, as you can see, this is the some kind of, it's gonna create a some kind of head and shoulders pattern, and then it's gonna break, and then it's gonna move up. So let's see if it goes up from here or not. Scott, thank you so much. So TIA is, you have to wait for a few days to see how it reacts. Okay, next one is ROSE, ROSE, ROSE coin. Okay, this is your ROSE. As you can see, there is a clear W pattern here, okay? And then another W pattern, short W pattern. I don't know what you call this pattern, but this is the resistance line. It needs to break. So double bottom here, one bottom, double bottom, okay? This was the neckline. Okay. It broke this neckline. Now again creating double bottom here. Such a strange kind of price action on ROSE, but once it breaks this level 0.0276, then it's gonna move up. Okay, but looks like it's creating a bottom here. I think it's getting ready to move up. Okay, next coin is Bonk. So on ROSE you have to wait for a few days to see its price action before I can predict anything. This is BONK, Bonk. So Bonk is clearly near a breakout point. So it needs to break this level, okay? 0.402200. That's the level it needs to break, and then you wanna see. But I think Bonk is gonna do much better. I know it's not doing great for so many days. You can see clearly this is a descending trend line. And once it breaks this trend line, then it's gonna move up. But I think Bonk is gonna do better during the next 2 months. Okay, next coin is CRO. CRO has room to move up, guys. Okay, I think as I told you when it was here, that's a good buy level, not a financial.